In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an address on Yahoo Mail. We'll be walking through a simple process to efficiently manage your contacts, helping ensure you're communicating with those you want to hear from. So, let's get started. First, you need to access your Yahoo Mail account. Begin by heading over to the Yahoo login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's important to type in the full email address you use for Yahoo, as any mistakes could prevent you from logging in successfully. So, double-check your entry before hitting the Next button. Now, at this stage, you'll need to enter your account password. I can't stress enough the importance of keeping your password secure. It's essential never to share it with others to maintain your account's security. Enter your password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've completed this step, go ahead and click Next to continue. Once you're logged into your Yahoo Mail, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Settings gear icon. By clicking on this, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to select More Settings. This action will take you to a deeper settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your email account. Within the More Settings area, look for the section labeled Security and Privacy. This section is your destination for managing blocked addresses, ensuring you have control over who can email you. You'll see a list of addresses that have been blocked. If you're looking to unblock a specific address, simply navigate through this list. Once you find the address you're seeking to unblock, hover over it with your mouse. Doing so will reveal a trash can icon next to the address. This icon is your key to unblocking. Go ahead and click on the trash icon, which will remove that particular address from your blocked list, allowing emails from that sender to arrive in your inbox. And there you have it. You've just successfully unblocked an address on Yahoo Mail. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you ensure all those essential emails reach you without any hiccups. Remember, maintaining your email security and privacy is crucial, so be mindful about who you block or unblock. And with that, you've unlocked the power to tailor your email communication to fit your preferences. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips and guides.